Aditya Chaudhary.
My name is Ayush Sarabjit Chaudhary.
My name is Tamanna Vishal Kumar.
My name is Purva Pankaj Rathod.
My name is Sejal Vinod Dongre.
Hi everyone, welcome to our project Digital Measuring using ultrasonic sensor. Our project can measure how far an object using ultrasonic sound waves, just like car have a parking sensor. Yes, this is useful for safety, obstacle detection and even for robotics. Let's see how it works.
Arduino Uno have 14 digital pin, 6 analog pin and 7 power pin. It's like brain of our project. It controls all the parts and does the calculations. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor have 4 pins. First VCC, second trigger and third echo, fourth is GND. And next component is LED. LED have 2 terminals, one anode and another is cathode. LEDs light up to show when if something is close from the sensor. Buzzer. Buzzer makes a sound. Buzzer makes a sound when if an object is close like an alert. Breadboard and jumper wires. It connects all the parts without soldering, making it easy to charge and fix things. Power supply. Arduino gets power through a USB cable connected to computer or charger. Arduino IDE. This is the software used to write and upload the code to the Arduino. Thank you.
Connection VCC of ultrasonic sensor 5 volt on Arduino. GND of ultrasonic sensor. GND on Arduino. Trigger pin on ultrasonic sensor 9 on Arduino. Echo of ultrasonic sensor. Digital pins 10 on Arduino. LEDs 6 on Arduino. Resistor connect 220 OHM resistor with LED protect to them. Thank you.
We are using an ultrasonic sensor that sends a sound. The Arduino measures how long it takes for the sound to come back and calculate the distance. Thank you.
ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत यूजफुल है सेफ्टी जैसे कार पार्किंग सेंसर में होता है ये एक्सीडेंट को रोकने में मदद करता है रोबोट्स इस ऑब्स्टेकल्स को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम ये मूवमेंट को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज हो सकता है इजी टू यूज एंड कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ये सिस्टम एक्यूरेट इजी टू यूज और बजट फ्रेंडली है ये प्रोजेक्ट दिखाता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कैसे सेफ्टी और ऑटोमेशन के लिए हो सकता है थैंक यू We first tell Arduino with pins connected to the ultrasonic sensor LED and buzzer. Second, we use formula for convert this time into distance. If distance is 20 cm, LED and buzzer turn on, and if distance more, LED and buzzer turn off. Thank you.
Let's see a demo. Move an object in front of the sensor. The LEDs and buzzer react based on how close or far an object is. As you can calculate how far an object is and alert you to if it's too close. This is useful for safety, robotics and smart system.